This one was on yesterday, and today is the last day. It's supposed to be collectibles, so that could mean anything though. Okay. What did I say about this one? Anything? Collectibles.
Oh.
Oops, my pencil's escaping. Ready?
All right, let's go.
Okay. Morning.
Hello.
The thing? I think those are too new, but
Could be.
I think they're 70s. But yeah, it's on.
Yeah, nothing.
No. I had one of those.
Pogo stick?
I was just completely horrible at it though.
Very interesting.
Hey, a recorder. Why is there like a recorder at every garage sale?
Maybe it's a sign that I need to buy them and start playing them for you.
No, I will beat you to death with it.
With the recorder?
Yes.
Start making all the music for the show on my new recorder.
Well, I'm sure they'd really appreciate that.
Your pendant is hitting your mic again.
Oh, I tried to have it down. Sorry there. Oh, what's that just fell over? Is it trying to get our attention? Totally is.
Didn't see that.
No, I didn't either. I was about to leave when she was like, hey. Take this part off, I think. I don't care for that. That's a home jobby. But the frame's nice. And she's nice. Hey?
Sure.
Give her a new home. It's very odd.
It is, isn't it?
I don't want to mess around too much with it. But like, I don't know when that was done or whatever, but still be all right, I think. She obviously wants to come home with us.
Yeah.
She made a big noise.
She did. She was like, hey.
Yeah. Do I pay you?
Yes, please.
Okay. Do you know who that is or anything about
No,
her?
I think my mom used, I don't know where she got this picture from, but she used to be really involved in Buffalo Days. I think it was just a prop.
Oh, I see.
So, yeah, thanks.
Okay. Thank you. Put her with the other people we don't know on our wall.
Oops.
Did you see that?
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty horrifying.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. Currently 28. It's 10 to 11 in the morning.
Wow. It's gonna be a hot one.
Yeah, it's getting warm.
Might have to watch movies in the basement tonight.
That's all right.
Right.
Leave
I
the
guess
windows open a little bit.
You didn't really. I was around.
I may have to change the battery. Let me just check it out.
I don't know. Yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. I'm right behind you.
Okay.
Oh, that was close.
bet I could clean this up. It's only $3. I'm sure I can work on that and clean it up. I'll get that. Hi! Hello! Oh, hello, sweetie.
Hi, buddy. Hello, buddy. Hey, how's it going?
The greeter.
Yes.
Best day of his life, eh? Yeah, I'll definitely get that table.
Okay.
I'm sure I can do something. I might have to paint the legs because they're a little bit, but that chrome will come all back nice
Yeah.
on around the edge. This
Right.
here.
Yeah.
That'll all come off. Yeah, I'll get that.
Okay.
Yeah. And what about this? Galvanized bucket. Well, there's two of them. Let me see. Just wondering what I can get on the back end of that. So $7 for the pair.
Well, if you make a pile, you might be able to deal.
That's true. Okay, maybe that's what I'll do. Okay.
Stick those with the table.
Yeah. Same with that star, that metal star. It's new, but
Figure somebody would want that.
people like that kind of stuff.
We're making a pile here.
Sure. You go right ahead.
Maybe it could probably go. It could go with the buckets because it kind of matches.
Yeah, the wind is going to give you lots of...
Yes, I think so. It's plastic. It's old though. Wow, look at those cufflinks.
Wow, fancy.
Very. Oh, when are we ever going to use them though? Like even that part's nice.
Yeah, it is. Well, I have cufflinks. I've never have used them.
No, because you don't have the right shirts.
No.
And here's tie. Oh no, that's a pin. Yes, here's the tie clip.
Oh yeah.
It's nice.
That cleaver.
I know.
And there's some jackets there.
Oh, I like this stuff. I had some and I used it up. So I wonder how much stuff is in here. Okay. Oh, this is our pile. Yeah, yeah.
Down there.
Sorry.
Reading about the planners.
Yeah. We put all the nice stuff over here.
Taking the table?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I know, I didn't even... Tucker, get back in there.
Oh,
Tucker.
I didn't take the tape off on this, but I'm sure it'll come
Yeah,
off.
I think so. And then I have these two little things here.
Okay. Is that it?
So I think so.
7. You can just have all this for 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just $13.
Okay.
I know, we were going to try to redo this for out, but then it's like, oh.
I know it's like how many projects can one person have? I need it like a hole in the head, but you know.
I know, but it is nice.
It is.
What's gonna, you could chrome, like the chrome is
I
not
think
bad.
that'll clean up.
Yes.
This might be. I might have to
But-
re-chrome that
yeah,
or
you might
something.
have to even just spray it and then the
Yeah.
top you could get,
Yes, that
thank you.
and that. Thank you. I'm just gonna take one more look around just in case.
I'll just put
Okay.
this, is this okay if I put?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Do you want those bricks or I can take these out? These are just for,
It doesn't matter. You might need them.
no, I don't.
Oh.
Grab the table.
Oh really? I think that's what I thought was going to happen. Okay. Now, we're just gonna put it in like this, or probably flip it over, on its face.
You're not worried about damaging the face?
Well, I don't know.
I would just stand it up.
You think it'll be okay like that?
I think the wind's gonna catch it. It could.
I think we should put it upside down.
Okay.
That's all right. Just right at the end here, and we should be okay. Yeah. Looks like 2 dead deer with their feet sticking up.
Dear, oh dear.
Oh dear. Yeah, I think I'll put the double money on that planter. The 2 planters, I think, and start. Maybe more. Maybe put it for 25. They're cute, but I just sold off all my stuff like that. It's a good sale. They're gonna sell a lot of stuff. They have nice things.
Well, the dash cam is doing good today so far.
So far it is.
I'm amazed it hasn't shut off yet.
Yeah. Such a big piece of crap with this desk.
Oh,
It's
no, it's
when,
swaying.
watch the wind come, it'll just be like no, the wind's not strong enough now. Maybe.
Oh, there it
Oh yeah.
There it goes. So, our viewers haven't seen this yet. My buddy Sean at work, so my old mount, I used to have to take the whole mount off my chest strap, pull the camera out of the mount to get access to the battery. So a buddy of mine at work made me this new frame mount for the camera where, just like that, and then boom, there's the battery right there. Take the old battery out.
Pretty sweet.
Pop that one in, close it up,
Yeah.
and then there. Quick, super easy.
Yep.
Thanks, Sean. That thing works awesome.
Saves a lot of time.
Yeah, big time.